Hey, my name is Steven Seven Hudson, hairstylist and makeup artist for over 10 years in the beauty industry. Everyone who is anyone owns a lace wig, but what's just as important as bonding is removing. The Almighty Remover is a unique formula never before seen on the market. It foams, SUDS, and it protects your edges while removing all the residue left on your hairline. Now before we begin removing the lace, I want to show you the consistency of the Almighty Remover. It's a gentle foaming solvent. You see how it suds up? That sud is getting rid of all of the debris that is left on the hairline while protecting those baby hairs. Now, we want to begin by placing the remover directly on the hairline using the bottle applicator. You want to do the same as you did when applying the glue. Use dots so that you can ensure control, no dripping down the hairline. Afterwards, you want to take your finger and just gently massage it through the hairline, ensuring that it gets everywhere it needs to go to get up all the suds and residue. After you've completed this step, you want to let it sit for about 2 minutes until it starts to gently lift on its own. When you begin to see the suds, that's how you know the formula is breaking down all of the glue left on the hairline. You can already see that it's beginning to lift, and the suds just reassure you that it's getting the job done. Let it sit for 2 minutes and begin to lift the hairline. Now, let's talk about the remover and its benefits. The remover will gently melt away glue residue to protect your baby hairs and edges. It is a safe formula free from harmful chemicals such as fragrance, latex, formaldehyde, paraben, and sulfates. It's an effortless clean removal that I am confident will keep my hairline the same before and after removal and application. Those benefits are exactly what I need in a remover. Once the wig starts to lift, that's how you know your Almighty Remover has begun to work. And once it lifts completely, you can pull the wig off. And I think we're just about there. After you remove the wig, you can use the Almighty Remover to get rid of any excess buildup left on the lace. Simply tap it onto the lace and use your finger to massage it through, and that will help get rid of any extra residue, same as the hairline. Now we're going to take a cloth and remove any of the excess residue that we have left on the hairline. If there is any glue left on the hairline, you can take the Almighty Remover and add another layer, same as before, massage it in, and you can always use water as a final rinse to ensure everything is off the hairline. After we've wiped the hairline clean of all the excess residue, look how easy the removal process was. This formula is unlike any other formula on the market. Almighty Remover is safe and free from chemicals. It is perfect for sensitive skin, and it protected those baby hairs after the removal process and during. Look at that hairline, it stayed intact. For more information, head over to our Instagram and YouTube at Almighty Bond. And you can go ahead to your local beauty supply stores. It's already there. Get yours today.